step out of the vehicle.
Move
Sir,
away
I see
from
the
me.
gun over there. You have a gun over there.
I'm not detained. I'm not
Sir,
detained.
for your safety and my safety, do
I'm
not
safe.
reach.
I'm completely safe. I'm completely
but
safe.
do not reach for.
And you still can't name a law I broke, can you, law enforcement? You can't name a law. You're real mad. You're big mad right now, throwing your arms in the air. Yeah, yeah.
Obstruction.
I'm educating you.
When literally that is exactly what we're doing.
No, you're not. You're out here because there's a camera that comes up. That's why you said, oh, straight.
Imagine being pulled over, not once but twice, for absolutely no legal reason. That's exactly what happens in this explosive encounter as an officer tries, and fails, to justify a bogus traffic stop. Instead of falling for intimidation tactics, this driver flips the script, questioning the officer's authority, exposing their lack of reasonable suspicion, and even driving off mid-conversation. But the police aren't done yet. They pull him over again, only for the driver to dismantle their weak excuses once more. Will they finally admit they have no legal grounds, or will they double down on their power trip?
Hey, I'm over here. Who are you? Okay.
So you're in our area of responsibility, sir.
Okay.
We have certain describables based on the car, based on where you were parked.
Okay.
Your light discipline, sir.
My what?
Your light discipline with your vehicle, having your lights off in an area of high traffic. We're just trying to make sure you're all good.
What do you mean high traffic?
Well, high traffic of illegal smuggling that goes around here a lot.
Oh. What did you have your
Officer
firearm?
safety, sir.
Oh, whether you're in this line of duty, you're scared.
Okay, again, it doesn't matter.
They
right?
just
We're
give
just
it
trying
to us
figure
as
out if
toys,
you're-
sir. It's not serious.
Hey, sir.
All right, have a good one, man.
What do you mean have a good one? Where are you going?
This side, it doesn't work. Doesn't work. This side. That doesn't work. It doesn't roll down.
Doesn't work?
No, this side.
Can I open it?
No. This side. This side, right here.
Go down.
Doesn't work. Come this side.
I can't come to that side. You're in the middle of traffic.
Let me move.
Just go over a little more. How you doing, sir?
So what's the reason for the stop, man?
We had two agents that said you were lights out over there, hanging out on the side of the road.
Okay.
And they began to question you, and they said you just took off on them.
Yeah, they weren't detaining me, so.
No, they didn't.
No.
Because they told me they were questioning you.
Of course, yeah. Anybody can question anyone, right?
Yeah, no.
Right.
And then you're driving all over the road.
No, I'm not. You're driving behind me with your high beams on.
Yeah, I was free to run your plate, sir. So what were you doing over there?
What do you mean? I'm not gay, man.
I'm sorry, what?
I'm not gay. Why are you asking me personal questions?
That's not a personal question.
Yeah, that's personal, really.
Why were you pulled over on the side of the road?
That's a personal question.
Do
Do you at least have reasonable suspicion to pull me over?
Yes, I do.
For what crime?
There's no crime.
Okay, then you don't have reasonable. You know how reasonable suspicion works?
Yes, I do. All right. Have a good day.
Sir, how you doing tonight?
Who are you?
It's all right, sir. I'm just...
Who are you?
Excuse me?
Who are you?
I'm a Border Patrol Agent Cruz.
Okay.
Here I work in Laredo West AO.
Oh, well, nice to meet you. Am I still being detained or what?
Sir,
Am I still being detained?
No, you're not detained.
Okay, thank you. I don't want to talk to you.
We're doing a big... Like,
I
right now,
don't
we're
wanna
doing a
talk to you.
concern. Somebody was saying that you was under... We're going to make sure you're okay.
Am I still being detained? Am I still being detained?
Sir, you're not being
Simple
detained.
question.
You're not asking, are you okay? You
All right.
feel like physical, feel okay?
All right, why do you need so many officers?
Because we work in this area. We're corners.
All right.
So we work at night, and that's what we do.
All right.
So,
So,
wait,
am I
wait,
still being detained?
Sir, are you okay?
I'm not.
You're good to go,
I'm
but
not.
Are you good to go? Like
I'm not.
physically, you good? Because right now
I'm
you were
not.
up over there, and it was something about
I'm not answering anything you asked me. You may leave now.
playing deal, sir.
You're good to go. You can,
All right. You can leave.
don't step out of the vehicle.
You can-
Do not step out of the vehicle.
Am I detained or
Do not
no?
step out of
Am
the
I
vehicle.
detained?
You can leave.
Am I detained?
No, you
Well,
do
leave.
not step out of the vehicle.
Sir, for your
Leave.
safety, I'm
Stop touching my car. Stop
not
touching my
step
car.
out of the vehicle.
Stop touching my car.
Nobody's touching your vehicle.
Get in your vehicle and leave.
It's all right. So right now we're telling you, like, around this is a highway. You're gonna
Leave.
put a risk to other people.
Leave.
The highway.
Leave my car.
To the unit. Supervisor. You want what? To the unit. You want to talk to your supervisor? You want what?
There's no weapon on the floor.
Sorry.
Am I still being detained?
C2-237.
Do not step out of the vehicle. Step back in the vehicle.
Am I?
Get back in the vehicle. You are not detained.
Get.
You can leave.
Move away from me. Move away from me.
Get back in the vehicle.
Am I?
Get back in the vehicle. You are not detained.
Get.
You can leave.
Move away from me. Move away from me. Move
Do not
away.
step out of the vehicle.
Move
Sir, I
away
see
from
the
me.
gun.
Move
Do not
away.
step out of the vehicle.
Move
Sir, I
away
see
from
the
me.
gun over there. You have a gun over
I'm
there.
not
That's-
detained. I'm not
Sir,
detained.
for your safety and my safety, do
I'm
not
safe.
reach. Do
I'm
not
completely safe. I'm
yeah,
completely
okay, but
safe.
do not reach for the gun.
You need to leave right now.
Yeah, but you don't reach for
You
the
need
gun.
to leave right now. You know where the gun is. Where are my hands? I'm not detained.
No, you're not. You need to go.
Okay, you need to
Are you
leave.
stepping out of there right now. You're gonna put in danger traffic. We're trying to avoid
I'm
that.
on the shoulder. I'm on the shoulder.
So you can pull over to the side if you want to, but I'm in the middle of the highway. Right now, you're endangering the public.
This encounter proves an important point. Many officers expect blind compliance, not legal understanding. If this driver didn't know his rights, he could have been unlawfully detained or even arrested. Instead, he confidently challenged every unlawful demand, forcing the officers to back down. This is why knowing your rights matters. The law is not based on feelings, intimidation, or ego. It's based on facts and constitutional protections. Next time you're stopped, stay calm, ask the right questions, and don't let anyone violate your rights without a fight. What happens when police officers try to intimidate citizens who know their rights? They get completely owned. In this video, we see multiple officers attempt to give unlawful orders, only to be shut down by people who refuse to back down. From false trespassing claims to bogus traffic stops, these cops quickly realize that the people they're dealing with are smarter than they expected. Watch as these citizens stand firm, challenge every unlawful demand, and turn the tables on these officers, forcing them to back off.
That's-
Can I help you?
Yeah, cheeseburger and fries, please.
Okay, well, this is private property, sir.
Right, but it's not police property. So when the owner calls you and says, I would like him to leave, then that's when you conduct a trespass.
I believe this is on a trespass agreement, so.
Okay, well, I'll go over here by your car. How about that?
Wonderful.
Yeah, now get back in your car and do your job, okay? That's the agreement is we pay the taxes and you do the job.
We are doing our job, sir.
Don't walk up on me.
I have every right to. This is
No,
public
you
land,
need to keep your space.
Which I do
If
not.
I
sir.
walk up on you, you'd handcuff me, right?
I have every right to.
Don't walk up on
well,
me.
You can step back on
Look
the
at him
public
trying to
sidewalk.
intimidate me, guys.
You can step back on the public sidewalk.
This is a thoroughway for pedestrians.
Well, then walk through. But right now we're
I'm
on a
not
traffic
walking
stop,
through.
sir. So go and step back, sir. Step
No, I'm
away
right
from
here.
the patrol vehicles. Thank you.
Now get in your car.
Let's get away from the patrol vehicles.
What's the equity for? What do you need the equity for? You have a traffic stop up here. So
this vehicle's unsecured.
no,
and you
according
can go in
to
on the public sidewalk,
according
sir.
to the Supreme Court, you must have a reasonable equity.
Right here. Not a problem.
What's your equity? Why do you need the equity
We can hang tight
for?
right here. It's fine.
That's according to the Supreme Court. You have to justify the equity of the distance.
You
The
understand
traffic
how-
stop's way up
Do you
there.
understand how ridiculous you're being right now?
No, I'm not.
You're telling us to do
I'm
our
not
job-
being ridiculous.
you're
I'm
telling us to do our
educating you.
job when
I'm
literally- you're telling us to do
educating
our
you.
job when literally that is exactly what we're doing.
No, you're not. You're out here because there's a camera that comes up. That's why you said, oh, strange people in the field, because you don't like cameras.
Because we
I'm
have
sorry
cameras.
that you don't
This
like
one's on
people
too.
recording you
I
while
have
you're
no
on the
problem with that at
job.
all.
Then you would have stayed in your car if
I
you
would
didn't have
just
a problem
more so
with it.
appreciate people having an understanding that we're not making false statements, especially if you are on camera, and I'd be happy to share that.
You did make a
Where-
false statement.
Well, no, absolutely not at all. This is private property, sir.
Okay, but it's
And-
not
and
your property.
state- Well, we are the police officers, and as police officers in the state of California.
No,
and
I
when
know how the
property-
trespass law works.
Well,
The
I'm
owner
just saying
or
to you.
the property must say, I would like him to leave.
is
I don't
not-
see any owners out here.
Sir, right here, these signs are posted
So,
right here.
okay, but that's not,
These signs.
right, but that sign isn't the owner,
This sign right here
okay?
means that this is part of the trespass program through the city of Rialto.
Okay, well, why don't you do the
That
police
means that we have
program
a sign.
and get back in your
That
car?
means we have a signed contractual agreement with the property owners that if somebody is on here, they could be subject to arrest.
Okay, well, I'm on the
The
sidewalk now,
confusing
so I'm
part
not
is the fact
trespassing.
that you're not going to jail, but in fact, rather
Because
we're
I'm not
just
trespassing.
merely educating you.
No, I'm
you're
educating
100%
you.
educating.
On the fact
I-
that I'm allowed to record. Penal Code 148G says photography and videography alone cannot be deemed a suspicious activity.
I did not.
Yet you
I-
call me a suspicious character in the field.
Yes, and that's when there's going to be a female that's going to be outside.
Okay, but 148G says videography cannot be a suspicious activity by itself.
I never said that was.
You did. You said, look at the strange person, which is another word of suspicious. So what you did basically was you violated Penal Code 148G.
If you read our police cars, it's
And then when you walk up in my face like that, it could be construed as a Bain Act violation because you're using intimidation tactic to interfere with my First Amendment rights. So see, you're not messing with a guy who doesn't know the law. I'm a little more educated than you just might think.
And then should we go to jail for what you filmed earlier? We could do that if you would like.
No, because the trespass law states if you say come onto the sidewalk and we leave, then that's it. We're no longer trespassing. See, now you're looking for a reason to arrest me because I'm recording you on camera. That's how it works, and that's the reason that I'm out here. Hold on a minute, Sergeant. That's the reason that I'm out here, is to record you guys, to educate you on the fact that, look, the camera is not your enemy. The camera can be your friend if you would like it to be.
About that, you wouldn't be confrontational and challenging.
I'm not
Because when
confrontational.
you say we're not out here doing our job, you know what I
Well,
would
you're not right now. You're over here
is I would appreciate
upset
not
with a
having
guy
fake news.
who's
I would
just
not.
trying to record the police
Because
for
what I would like to
accountability
document,
purposes.
and what you should be document, if you actually, that is your belief, is the understanding that a vehicle that was doing over twice the speed limit with somebody that's almost twice the legal limit to drive a motor vehicle is in custody today.
Okay, and then you
So
say,
that
oh,
would
look at
be
the
a-
strange
We
camera.
have a female that we're going to leave. And if
Okay.
you wanted to appropriately document it, you would. If you wanted to be
I am-
confrontational, you are. And
No, you're the
by all
one that
means,
got, you're the
you
one
have
that got
First
out of the
Amendment
car,
right to-
Sergeant.
because, sir, you
You're
have
the
private
one that
property.
walked over
Film
here.
that, please. Why would you
No,
not film that?
that has nothing to do with the sign.
that,
You got
100%.
mad
Okay.
because I said, yeah, strange cops punch people that are handcuffed.
You have a
That
wide
upset
base,
you.
sir. It does
I'm
not bother
sorry it upset
It does
you,
not bother me
okay?
at all.
Then why did you get out of the car and approach me when I said
You're
it?
trespassing.
That you didn't say that. You said strange people hang out in fields.
Told that to her.
You didn't get out of the car until I said strange cops punch people. Then you got out of the car because you were offended. I'm sorry you got offended, Sergeant.
We're more than 10 feet away.
Everybody?
No.
You need anything?
Nope, you're dismissed.
Dismissed?
Yep.
Actually, that's not how it works, but...
Am I committing a crime?
No, but I'd like to know if you need
I'd like to
something.
not answer your questions. You're dismissed.
Why are you taking it?
Because I'm allowed to film in public.
You are allowed to film it.
Cool. You're
But I'm
dismissed.
just making sure that you need anything.
I don't need anything from you.
Okay. Well, just do us a favor. Don't interfere with our investigation.
I'm not interfering. You don't need to tell me that.
Man, you're nice. I appreciate you, though.
Cool.
Okay?
Yeah, for sure. Fuck you.
Fuck me?
Yeah, fuck you. I'm sorry. Do I have a First Amendment too, man? I fuck you, dude. I can say what I want.
You do have a First Amendment.
Exactly. Which means I can say fuck you and point the camera at you. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. You're dismissed. Yep, that's it. Bet you never been told that. I'm just sitting here filming. You're scared of a camera. You can film in the windows too if you want to.
Get away from the car.
Excuse
Get
me.
away from the car.
Excuse me. I'm not doing anything wrong,
You
man.
can't just walk up on a police
I can
car. We're
absolute-
doing an investigation.
I know the law better than you, don't
No, you
I?
don't.
Interesting.
We got a prisoner in the back.
I'm 10 feet away.
Just walk up on
I'm
the
10.
You were close.
What law am I breaking?
I don't know you.
Tell me what law I'm breaking, officer.
Are you coming to let this dude out of the car?
Can you tell me what law I'm
Are
breaking?
you coming to let this dude out of the car?
I don't have to answer your
Because that's what it
questions.
surely looked like.
I don't have to answer
You
your
were walking
questions.
Right up to that car.
This is textbook, dude. I don't have to answer your questions. You're just educating my friends here. That's all.
You can educate all you want, but what you can't do is you can't interfere with our investigation. This is what I'm going to tell you. If you'd like to video, I would like you against the wall because I'm going to let you know right
Understand.
now.
Here's
you walk
good.
To right here.
Here's fine.
And this is where my prisoner is. You want to see him?
Okay,
Here he
here's
is.
fine.
There's a prisoner back.
Are you okay?
So it sure looked like you were coming to let him out of the car.
You're getting a complaint on you, dude. You need to
You
step
go
back.
right ahead. I haven't violated
I've been
any of your rights.
I haven't violated any of
Not
your laws.
one. But you sure are
Oh, man.
really taking me away from my
You
investigation.
sound like feelings enforcement right now. You're law
Feelings
enforcement, dude.
enforcement?
Yeah,
Because you
yeah,
were walking up to a cruiser to maybe let
What
the
law did I
prisoner out?
break? What law did I break?
Dude, I'm just telling you right now, don't do that again or you will be detained.
What law did I break?
I'm telling you, do you understand? If you
What
walk
law
up
did
to
I
this
break?
Cruiser, there are prisoners
Educate
in
the
each
public.
one of them.
Educate the public. What law did I break?
I don't know you.
You don't know what law I broke
I
because
don't
there
know
wasn't
you.
one.
So if you
Can you leave me alone? I'm just filming. Can you leave me
It's called
alone?
obstruction.
Can you leave me
It's what
alone?
it's called.
It's not. It's
It
not.
is
It's no.
obstruction.
Actually,
It's
it's
the
it's
wrong
10 feet
prison.
away, dude. It's 10 feet
That's
away.
cute, because
All I
you
need
are
is 8,
closer
and
than
there's
10
10
feet.
feet. All I need is 8. I know the
just
law,
letting
man.
you know again.
I know the law.
Don't do it.
You don't have to let me know anything.
don't do it.
I can do what I was doing.
Under
I was 10 feet away.
If you walk
And you
up
still
to
can't
this
name a law I broke, can you, law enforcement? You can't name a law. You're real mad. You're big mad right now. Throwing your arms in the air. Yeah.
Obstruction.
Yeah.
Obstruction.
Yeah. Obstruction. Say it again.
Answer to your question.
Say it again. I'm still not under arrest, am I? Interesting.
Because I'm telling you that it looks
Because
like
you don't have power over a law-abiding citizen. You're dismissed.
Dismissed. That's another great
Dismissed is something you haven't heard from a citizen. Congratulations, you heard it today. Your partner's smart. He stayed in his car and he kept his mouth shut. I'm doing a great job.
What's your name and badge number?
Officer Sweet, 2983. There's signs on every level that says garage is for parking only,
Okay.
and it's not for hanging out. You
Okay.
could be arrested for trespassing.
Oh, really? On
right.
public property?
This is town property.
Right, public property.
Yeah, because when we let people do that, look what they do.
Oh, so you're blaming me for...
No, I never blamed you.
So why'd you stop me? I haven't even parked yet.
Okay, I just wanted to let you know.
Just enlighten me on what the thought process of is stopping a citizen as he's driving.
Okay.
I haven't parked. I'm not
Okay,
hanging out.
I'm just letting you know, and I asked you, what do you do?
Well, you're trying to like press on me. I'm a police officer, like that's important or something. I
No,
mean, I'm not breaking
it's
the
just-
law, so I don't care if you're a police officer. You're not important to me.
Okay, good.
What was your name? Your badge number again?
I've already told you. You can.
Yeah, I'll
can
probably
listen,
go back through it. Okay.
Listen to it again on your camera.
Officer Sweet, huh?
Yes.
So I've seen you on YouTube, I think, actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're kind of a jerk, aren't you?
Depends on who you talk to, I guess, right?
Oh yeah, I guess so. All right. So, are we done with this consensual conversation yet? Because I haven't done anything, so
Okay.
I'm not detained right now.
No, you can leave.
I'm gonna
just
park
letting
and then
you
I'm
know.
gonna walk away. I don't know if that's illegal. Is that illegal? I can do that, right?
Okay.
This is public parking, right?
Yes. Town property. Yes.
Public parking,
Yes.
right? It's paid for by the citizens, me.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to park up here and go downtown
So
and enjoy
why are you
everything,
trying to dictate anything that I'm doing right now? I haven't even parked yet.
you're-
So why'd you stop me?
I wanted to let you know.
Why do you feel the need to let me know? Are you like the authority around here?
Are we done?
Are you in charge around here?
Are we done?
I mean, I've been done. Are you in charge or something? Do I need to listen to you?
Have a nice night.
You have a wonderful night
Thank
too.
you.
Dumbass.
You're dismissed, Officer Sweet. Go back to work. Earn that paycheck that I pay you for.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Go on. Go back to work. You're dismissed.
I am at work.
Good. Go back to work. You're dismissed now.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye. Bye, Felicia. See you later. I mean, I can stand here and record you if you want. That's cool too.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Because you're hanging out in the garage.
Actually, I'm here with a purpose right now. This is a First Amendment protected activity. I'm filming a police officer in the action of his duty. I'm not. You can't trespass me from public property. Okay, why don't you try it then? Because I'm recording you right now.
What's that?
You are a public official on public property. I'm allowed to record you.
You can, yes.
You want to play that game?
If you're up here, then you're trespassing.
Then trespass me.
Okay. You have your ID on you?
I don't have to ID. I'm not doing anything wrong.
You said you're here.
You're going to be on YouTube right now.
What's that?
Then you know
Okay.
Jenna Brown?
Yeah, I know Jenna
She's
Brown.
famous. You're going to be next, buddy.
Okay.
You want to ID me right now?
Yeah.
You want to play that game?
Okay.
Oh, yeah,
I know
you know. Yeah, I should have just
you.
let you keep going about what you're doing.
And what is that?
ID me illegally.
I'm not
trespass
IDing you.
me from public property. Are you dumb, dude? I know what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
You're dumb.
All right. Well, if you look at that sign over there, it says garage is for parking only. It's not
Okay.
for hanging out.
I'm parked
And
right now. I was gonna go down, but since you stopped me, now
I'm not stopping you. I was right here in my car.
Okay.
And
You
then
stopped me.
You decided to stop.
You stuck
yeah,
your
I
hand
waved you
out.
down and
Okay.
asked you. Said, what are your plans? What are
You're
you
right,
doing?
and that's none of your business.
It is if you're
It
just
is
going to be
none of
hanging
your
out.
business.
All right.
Go back to work. You are dismissed, officer. Thank you for your duty. I appreciate what you do, but don't be an asshole, okay?
This video is a perfect reminder that knowing your rights is your greatest weapon against police overreach. These officers weren't expecting to be challenged, and when they were, they had no real answers. They relied on intimidation, unlawful threats, and empty authority, but none of it worked on informed citizens. The law is not about feelings or power. It's about facts and constitutional rights. So next time you encounter an officer, stay calm, stand firm, and never let anyone violate your rights without a fight.